I'm Chef James, and I'm here to show you how to make a lobster salad. So let's get started. So first of all, I wanted to show you we have a variety of different kind of greens here. These are from the farmer's market, very beautiful. We have some red leaves, some red romaine, and some also we have some watercress, some frisée, some Belgian endive, some radicchio. And last but not least, we have these beautiful microgreens. These are nice greens you can get in your store, and they complement every salad. All right, let's talk about equipment. So in your kitchen, you should have a variety of different things, and this is a suggestion on my part that'll help you be successful in making salads and making different things in your kitchen and help you be a better cook. So obviously you want to have a sharp knife, a chef knife, a serrated knife. We have a Peltex, which is a spatula. It's called a fish spat. They call it a Peltex. But it bends, so it's nice and easy to get things out of pans. Okay? We have a beautiful grater here. This is a new type of grater that you can grate cheese, make zest, and it's really awesome. We have a nice peeler. You gotta have a nice peeler in your kitchen, some nice spoons, a zester, paring knife. And last but not least, we have two different types of mandolins. This is a French mandolin, and this is a Japanese mandolin. The Japanese, it can slice, it can shred, and julienne for you. So I highly suggest purchasing one of these for your kitchen. But one thing, be careful. These are the real deal. They're super sharp, so don't cut yourself. I hope I don't cut myself either. So anyways, we have some sizzle pans here. These are nice to have in your kitchen to put product on, to keep it off the cutting board, or easily you can put these in the oven. So something, just a suggestion on my part. I always like to use kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, and of course, olive oil. Use your favorite extra virgin or whatever oil you like to use, okay? All right, so let's get started with the lobster. Okay, so we have this beautiful Maine lobster. You can probably buy in most supermarkets these days. This is a 2-pound lobster. Usually lobsters come in 1 1/4 pound, 1 1/2 pound, 2 pound, and up. So that's how they do it, and usually the price is per weight. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the lobster, okay? Very important. You see the lobsters have the rubber bands on it? Keep the rubber bands on because they will pinch you. They're still alive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some kosher salt to our boiling water. You wanna have double the amount of water to lobster, okay? If you're cooking more than one. So we're gonna drop our lobster in 6 to 8 minutes, and then we're gonna take the lobster out of the pot and chill in ice water. Make sure your lobster is all the way submerged, okay? And we'll leave them in there, and it'll be ready in about 6 to 8 minutes.